Dear user, thank you for choosing Mobilint's MLX-A1 Edge AI box. Here's a quick guide to help you install and use the product safely. MLX-A1 is an NPU-powered embedded AI box capable of running LLM and multimodal AI inference entirely on-device without requiring a network connection or GPU. With laptop-class TDP, MLX-A1 delivers safe, efficient, high-performance edge deep learning inference, extending AI deployment from individual users to organizations and industrial environments. MLX-A1 has been recognized for its breakthrough high-performance and low-power AI hardware design, earning the CES 2026 Innovation Award in the Artificial Intelligence category. Now we will guide you through the installation of MLX-A1. This guide is for reference only. The installation process may vary depending on your environment. First, open the package and check the product. The package includes the MLX-A1 main unit and a power adapter. MLX-A1 provides various I/O ports designed for diverse devices and applications across industries. Let's begin the setup. First, connect the keyboard and mouse to the USB port. Next, connect the monitor to MLX-A1 using an HDMI cable. Then, connect the power adapter to the MLX-A1 and plug it into a power outlet. Once all connections are complete, press the power button to turn on the device. Once the system boots, you may configure settings, install drivers, and add your frequently used software. MLX-A1 includes a default operating system and essential components of Mobilint SDK QB, allowing plug-and-play usage. MLX-A1 is compact, easy to install, and ready to use, offering reliability, performance, and stability across various work environments. Here are important safety precautions when using the MLX-A1. Review these guidelines carefully to ensure safe and proper operation of the product. That concludes the installation guide for MLX-A1. If you need assistance, feel free to contact us using the information above. Thank you.